And this song by Parents. The love of a lifetime. Happy weekend to you. I guess the time was right for us to say we take our time and live our life together day by day. We'll make a wish and sign it all the prayer. We know our dreams can all come through, a love that we can share.